Bring your towing experience into the modern age with the Echo Brake Control. This new brake control is a Bluetooth-enabled device that wirelessly connects to your smartphone, allowing you to control and monitor all trailer brake activity. It features a portable design and a simple plug-and-play installation, and easily switches between vehicle-trailer combinations. Simply download the app to your phone, insert the Echo Brake Control into your vehicle's 7-way socket, connect the trailer wiring harness, and follow the instructions on your mobile phone. The app allows you to create and store an unlimited amount of custom trailer profiles, and the Echo can easily be transferred between vehicles, making it perfect for fleet or multiple vehicle owners. As an added safety feature, if the Bluetooth connection is lost, the Echo will continue to function using the most recently programmed setting. With a weather-resistant construction, the Echo is built to withstand the elements and will continue to ensure long-lasting operation. Be a part of the digital future with an Echo Brake Control.